예, 반갑습니다.
Nice to meet you all. I am the CEO of Avikus. My name is Dohyeong Lim. Last year, our company was founded, and we are actually a spin-off company from Hyundai Heavy Industry. We have about 50 employees, and these employees are from Hyundai Heavy Industry, researching the autonomous navigation functions. Today, I would like to share with you our autonomous navigation solution. First of all, I will introduce to you our company and our solutions and projects, and then explain about the technology specification or demonstration of our solutions. First, about our company. In terms of economic benefits and safety, it is inevitable to move towards autonomous vessels. So from 2014, we started smart ship solution research activities from Hyundai Heavy Industry. And from 2009, we developed navigation assistance system. And in this system, we commercialized low degree of autonomy. And last year, our company was founded, and we aim to develop autonomous navigation system in 2024. As explained before, we were spinned off from Hyundai Heavy Industry. We are specialized in developing autonomous navigation solution for vessels. Our mission is to achieve accident-free navigation through revolutionary marine mobility with autonomous technology. Our solutions. As other robotic solutions would be, we have 4 key technologies, including detection, situation analysis, planning, and control. Especially, we have vision sensing technologies, surround view system, collision warning system, collision avoidance, and auto docking technologies. We have 2 solutions. One is for ships, which is called Highness. The other is the solution for small and mid-sized ships like boats. The name is AI Boat. We use the same technology for these 2 solutions. Before talking more about our solution, I would like to explain the degree of autonomy. You may be very much familiar with the IMO's degree of autonomy. And I would like to compare IMO degree of autonomy with a more detailed classification of autonomy level defined by 1 CEA, SEA. Starting from level 1 to level 5, level 1 and 2 refer to assistance system, and from level 3 to level 5, this is autonomous system. Up to level 2, the mariner takes responsibility for operation of the vessels, and from level 3 to 5, the system takes responsibility. It has been 20 years since ADAS was adopted in the automobile industry. In most of the new car models produced by Hyundai, ADAS is included. The same will happen in the shipping industry. We named this Highness, the navigation assistance system for vessels. We will upgrade the technology based on the track records, and our aim is to move up to the level of degree 3 autonomy. Our solution consists of Highness and High-Bus. Highness consists of vision sensing, which detects objects, and it also consists of sensor fusion and AR visualization that prevents collision and helps safer navigation. High-Bus is consisting of a round view image, top view, and it uses LiDAR to show the distance estimation, and it shows 3D blind spots. And Hainas 2.0 is a solution that has control functions as well. So it helps with autonomous navigation with collision avoidance. On the top right, you see the camera, the Highness camera. It shows the 180 view surrounding the vessels. An IR camera covers 150-degree view. This is our core vision sensing technology. We use cameras to recognize objects through deep learning algorithm, and we can also classify objects. We use IR camera so that during night or when there is heavy fog, we can automatically detect any objects or obstacles during navigation. And the existing sensors have their own advantages, so we conducted sensor fusion. Through this technology, we can warn collision risks, and we can also help safer navigation to avoid no-go area, for example. This is visualized on the display, so a monitor that looks like this is installed on the system on board the ship. Next is HiBus. HiBus provides 360-degree top view AR image. It uses 32-channel LiDAR. And if the ship comes closer to any object or obstacle or other ships, then it gives an alarm showing the distance between the own ship and the other objects. And it shows the 360-degree top view so that the ship could see as, or the mariners could see any blind spots surrounding the vessels. This is the situation awareness function. Hyundai Group developed route optimization program. In connection with the route optimization program, we enable the vessels to automatically avoid any collision. We cooperated with the Hyundai Heavy Industry and other materials providers so that we developed the autopilot BMS, and we also completed the interface between them. Next one is the solution for small boats. In this solution, route planning, autonomous navigation, vision sensing, collision avoidance, and warning, as well as control functions are included. It provides 2D surround view, 3D around view, and it also provides auto docking function. This solution is also available on the mobile phone. We developed this solution for small and medium-sized ships. So all the solutions I explained to you up to now are at the level of ADAS level 2. So these are assistance system or assistance solutions for drivers or for the people on the vessels. Our aim is to upgrade the autonomy level of our solutions. So last year in Pohang Canal, which is about 10 kilometers long, we conducted a test. We showed the autonomous navigation performance of this vessel in cooperation with KAIST. We used LiDAR and computer vision. Also, we received help from KT. So the headquarter office of KT helped us remotely monitoring this test process. And this was often reported through the press and media. We conducted transoceanic voyage. from the US through the Panama Canal to Boryong of Korea. We performed the transoceanic voyage. We sailed through the area where there's not much traffic, so a fully autonomous navigation was tested and completed without any human intervention. We encountered about 100 ships during the navigation, and Highness kept the courses 70 times and avoided the collision 30 times as it recognized the objects and ships. And we conducted route optimization and speed optimization during navigation. And we found that the fuel efficiency was improved by 7%. It actually, we developed Highness 2.0 through long years of efforts. This is a system that helps with collision avoidance. We have continued the development of this solution for a long time, and we have updated this function. And our Highness and High-Gas collision avoidance logics were combined with each other, and this was interfaced with the other solutions, and we conducted many field tests, real tests, many times. And at the test commissioning phase, we conducted simple interface test. And this June, we tested this solution by having transoceanic voyage. And ABS issued SOF, Statement of Facts, for the solution, recognizing the value of this solution as autonomous navigation solution. And we received AIP from ABS, and we plan to receive certification from the class by next year. And we are also preparing for type approval. Also, we need the approval from flag states to actually enable operation of this vessel, so we are cooperating with flag states as well. Lastly, Hyundai Heavy Industry recognized the value of Highness 2.0, and although this is not strongly fully confirmed, there's a plan that Highness 2.0 will be installed in all the newly built vessels from 2023. So the ships built from Hyundai Heavy Industry will have Highness 2.0 by default. Next is our commercialization status. We started Highness and High-Bus projects from last year. We already received orders for 230 ships, and we installed this solution for 10 ships as of now. And Highness 2.0 has control functions. We received orders for 23 ships, and we are going through the class certification process, and we have discussed the basic design and specification about this solution. We plan to develop our technologies to go beyond degree 1 and 2, but to achieve degree 3 and higher degrees of autonomy. I think that ADAS, which is Navigation Assistance System, has a high value for enabling safer navigation because more than 80% of maritime accidents were caused by human error. And once this assistance system is on board the ship, it will be helpful. Without such a system, seafarers must stay awake 24/7 on the vessels to watch for any risks, and this is in reality impossible. I believe that this autonomous navigation assistance system will be helpful for reducing human error. And if a ship has this kind of system, it will be able to receive insurance premium discount. And many young generation are not willing to work as seafarer, and we are lack of experienced seafarers. So if we integrate the experienced captain's know-how into this system, then it will be very helpful for unexperienced seafarers to conduct safer and efficient navigation. And we think that autonomous assistance system will truly help increase fuel efficiency and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Through cooperation with shipping companies, we will gather more statistic data. I strongly believe that the system will be helpful for increasing fuel efficiency. When I go to my hometown by driving, I have to fill up my car with more diesel, the fuel. So if I drive the car, I have to buy more fuel. But when my wife drives the car, the same distance, we don't need to buy additional fuel. This is an example that if we have this autonomous assistance system, we'll be able to increase fuel efficiency. We are commercializing degree 1 and 2 solutions, and we are discussing this matter with flag states and regulatory authorities. I don't see a big issue in terms of laws and legal framework for degree 1 and 2. And it has been 20 years since ADAS was developed, and for about 10 years, there were issues of safety and reliability related to ADAS. And by 2010, ISO standards about functional safety of ADAS system was created. And the stability of a system that enables autonomous navigation and control functions could be widely used once we have clear legal standards and regulations regarding the safety and reliability of the system. As for degree 3 and 4, we will use our know-how and data from our experience with the degree 1 and 2 solutions. And as we experienced from automobile industry, it wasn't that the unmanned cars or unmanned vessels will appear overnight. We will gradually commercialize the autonomy functions, starting from the low degrees of autonomy. And in the process of commercializing autonomous navigation solutions, we could refer to the experience of automobile industry, and I think that the relevant standards and regulations should be promptly established, and it all requires cooperation among relevant parties. We have a reference with autonomous cars. We could refer to the experience we had with autonomous cars in terms of preparing regulations for functional safety of the autonomous navigation solutions. Thank you very much for your attention.
Thank you very much, Dohyeong Lim, CEO from Avikus, for your presentation.